Presenting the OnePlus 10T 5G Jade Green, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. The phone has display of 2412 by 1080 pixels and 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. 6.7 inches and 10-bit color depth. The phone also has auto brightness, screen color mode, and manual brightness. Screen Color Pro mode, Display P3 and Corning Gorilla Glass. It has Video Color Enhancer, Dark Mode and Bright HDR Video Mode. Image Sharpener and HDR10+. It also features fingerprint scanner and Gorilla Glass, LED flash and camera. The delivery box contains SIM tray, ejector and adapter, phone case and USB cable. For warranty and further information refer the product detail page.